Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ethena or ENA. Wanted to do a quick video on this. It's well, first of all, it's been a while since I covered it. There used to be a very relatively large amount of people interested in Ethena. I'm not 100% sure if that is still the case. But apart from that, Ethena has also been the strongest performer since earlier this morning when we started to rally. But yesterday evening, there were signs of bullish momentum as well. And that's also what you can see right here. All right, if you zoom in, we dropped down towards 41.5 cents, got a successful reclaim yesterday evening already. And since then, we have been bullish. But we're also at a crucial resistance level right now. So there is a lot to talk about. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about what to expect. We'll talk about what's possible. All right. Now, first of all, fundamentally, Ethena is quite interesting because it's Ethereum beta, and what we all know is that yesterday Ethereum obviously had the ETF launch, so that also increases the interest in Ethereum beta coins. Now, what's true though is that if you look at something like ENS, which is also Ethereum beta, and you compare that with Ethena in the last 12 hours. Ethena has been much more bullish. So I think that there's something else going on. In general, we hit a significant support level. As you can see, Ethena was already consolidating a bit here. So we arguably technically hit the bottom of the range here. And if you hit the bottom of the range, then it's always most likely to get back up to the top of the range, which is obviously 50 cents. As you can see, that's been the main resistance level for the last 9 days. So you could argue that technically this is just what was to be expected. But I do think that there's something else going on which also makes Ethena more interesting, right? It already is interesting because of its ties to Ethereum. But apart from that, I also think it's a little bit more interesting due to the moves we've seen in the last 12 hours. Because what you can see right here is that we are rapidly gaining momentum. And this is like, whether you call this manipulation or something else, it doesn't matter. It's something, all right? It's people or investors with quite a lot of money that are pumping up the coin. And you can see that right now quite a lot of shorts are being opened as well, but basically the entire night a lot of longs were opened. So there is a lot of momentum. Then the main question is can we break above that significant resistance level at 50.5 cents? That's the main question, all right? The main question is can we break above that? Because then we can actually rally a lot. Like the first price target I would say is around like 60 cents. So that's the main question, and the thing is that I think you should be prepared for both scenarios. So both that we do get a breakout, but also that we reject from that level, because in the end in crypto you never know for sure, and anybody who tells you otherwise is lying. Ethereum at this point of time does not look that strong. It seems like we are gaining a little bit of momentum we don't want. The RSI is very high for Ethena, at least on the 30-minute time frame. So I would say at least initially we will see a rejection, all right? And then depending on how we react at especially this level at 46 cents, that kind of determines whether we can break out above that and rally or not, all right? The main thing I'd like to see is strength from Ethereum. If we actually do get strength from Ethereum, while the open interest for Ethena also stays high, then I think we'll break out after this rejection. If not, it will just hold, all right? And this was solid momentum, but then we will just reject from the level and we'll stay in this consolidation. And honestly, since the market structure right now is a consolidation and we are getting some shorts, I would say it's most likely we'll reject and we will not break out. But like I said, there are enough opportunities and enough scenarios in which we could, especially with the Ethereum ETF. So that's why I'm telling you, be prepared for both scenarios. I'm telling you this is most likely. Do with that what you like. But those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.